Tokyo is more than famous crossings, towers, and tourist spots. In this video, you'll see highlights from 3 Tokyo walks: back streets, shopping streets, local food spots, old neighborhoods, and the everyday details most guidebooks skip. This is Walk Japan, Learn Japan, beyond the guidebook. Most of our walks begin at a train station, just like many real trips in Japan. This time we start from Shibuya Station, near the famous Hachiko statue. Our full walks are usually shown almost uncut, following the streets in real time. For this digest, we'll jump between highlights and show you more interesting details from each walk. This channel is not only about walking through Japan. We point out small details along the way: shops, signs, menus, buildings, and local scenes that many visitors might miss. As you've seen, many notes appear throughout the walk. If something catches your eye, feel free to pause and read more. Shibuya is not only a busy station area, it is also a city of hills. The Ya in Shibuya means valley, and many streets rise uphill from the station. Today, the area is being redeveloped around this hilly terrain with decks and vertical routes making it easier to move through. In this channel, we also explain the shape of the city, the history of the streets, and the small reasons behind what you see. Now we enter Hakandana, one of Shibuya's older backstreet areas. In the full-length walks on this channel, there is no voice narration. You hear the real sounds of the street, while small notes appear on screen. For the next few moments, we'll let you experience that style. If you enjoy this kind of walk, real Japanese streets, local details, quiet atmosphere, and small discoveries beyond the guidebook, please consider subscribing. Next, we leave Shibuya and move to the area between Oimachi and Musashi Koyama. This route is full of local shopping streets, small restaurants, snacks, and everyday neighborhood scenes. along with street corner shops and the history behind each area. We also show practical details that can be useful when traveling in Japan. For example, parking fee signs in Japan can be hard to understand. The prices are often shown with different time units like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, or maximum fees for certain hours. So even if you can read the numbers, it can still be difficult to quickly calculate how much you will actually pay. And sometimes, while walking through an ordinary residential neighborhood, you may suddenly find a local spot most tourists would never notice, like a natural hot spring hidden in the city. Next, we walk through Tokyo's historic academic district. This is Book Hotel Jimbocho, a hotel made for people who love books. Guests can stay surrounded by books, almost like sleeping inside a quiet little library. At the end of each full walk, we usually finish with a local food reward from the neighborhood. This is an izakaya in Kanda, a casual Japanese pub. Their specialty is called genshi yaki, a style of cooking where a whole fish is skewered and slowly grilled over charcoal. Thank you for joining us on this walk through different sides of Tokyo. If you enjoy discovering Japan beyond the guidebook, from back streets and shopping streets to local food, old neighborhoods, and everyday details, please subscribe to Walk Japan, Learn Japan, and let us know in the comments where in Japan you'd like us to walk next. See you on the next walk.